My name is Gabby. I got this chocolate pen for my birthday. And right now I'm going to pick a color. Let's put it up in this one. And then you wait and hold it.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for it to get up. Not filled.
What's going into the pen right now?
Chocolate. You see? It's this chocolate. It's very tasty. But when you harden it, you taste it very gooder, right? And we have the 77s for my grandma's birthday.
Just 70.
It's a 70.
This tray is almost empty. Why don't you go to this one? So what are you planning to make with your chocolate pen?
I'm going to plan to make something that's great. Here's the chocolate, always falls off it, so I have to do this. No. Now what do you want to do?
Do you share these chocolates with others or do you eat them yourself?
I share them. For birthday parties.
What else would you share them for?
I share them for birthday parties, for grandma's birthday party, and for Christmas. Like when we open up the chocolate and we get the chocolate every Christmas.
The advent calendar?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get started on pressing. Let's get this one. You see it? It's right there. I don't really know what it is.
So what are you doing now?
I'm putting it on this little wave.
And how do you get it to come out?
Let's press this button. Stop. Ugh. That's what I always have to do.
Do you always lick your fingers when you're making food for other people?
Nah. Hey, stop it. Yeah. Wait, which one else do you want to do? Anything else? The penguin? Okay. Little feet, little feet. It's almost. Hey, it's pooping. Let me see. That's off.
So would you recommend this chocolate pen to other 6-year-olds?
Yeah.
Tell the camera why.
Because it's very interesting. But come look at that. It's not working, but it is very interesting. Show your child at home how to get it and tell them you want that for your birthday, or tell it for Santa.
Okay, why don't you wrap it up?
Bye.